Hi everyone, are you looking for RC drone? This video is made to help you find the best 4D RC drone. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. Links all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. If you want to see stay update latest technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, 4D RC, model number, F8. This 4K drone has compact design in that the quadcopter arms and propeller blades can be folded. The most potent feature of the F8 RC quadcopter drone is its powerful brushless motor. It operates with minimal noise and guarantees longevity without needing to be replaced. With this F8 drone, chances of a breakdown are next to none. 4K camera with 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable provides a high-resolution picture, enabled to capture a perfect shot, 5 GHz FPV transmission delivery a smooth and stable videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. No matter how fast you run, the 4D F8 Follow Me feature has you covered. Easily get professional images. Number 4. Brand name, 4D RC, model number, S+. This professional-grade drone is designed for easy operation, allowing novice pilots to get started in seconds. With its brushless motor and foldable quadcopter design, this drone is perfect for aerial photography and videography. Equipped with a strong configuration, this flagship drone delivers exceptional performance. It features GPS positioning with 6K electrical accuracy, fixed flight point capabilities, and a dual-camera suspension system for enhanced aerial photography. The drone also boasts a 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system, allowing for 50 times photo-video zoom and a brushless motor that minimizes electricity consumption. The drone also features surround flight capabilities. Number 3. Brand name, 4D RC, model number, F3. 4D RC F3 GPS drone is made of high-strength industrial plastic, lightweight and durable. The arm is designed to be foldable and easy to carry. With GPS positioning, you can always have an accurate location of your drone. It will automatically fly back when the drone loses signal or get low on power. 4D RC F3 drone can be a great photography tool. Featuring Follow Me mode, point of interest, waypoints and object track, it frees your hands and allows you to focus on creative video contents. You can even add narration while shooting videos. Grab it and film your adventures or happy moments. Follow Me mode make the F3 RC drone always follow your steps and point. The camera will catch your every move and take aerial photos or videos. Number 2. Brand name, 4D RC, model number, V14. The 4D RC V14 drone is a versatile and feature-rich quadcopter designed to deliver an exceptional aerial photography experience. The drone is integrated with smart voice control and gesture control. You can speak to control the flying direction, or pose to the camera to trigger photo or video shooting. Equipped with a 2.4G frequency and 4-channel control, the V14 drone ensures a stable and interference-free connection between the drone and its transmitter. The V14 drone incorporates a high hold mode function, ensuring stable flight performance and smooth footage capture. This feature is particularly useful for beginners or those looking for steady aerial shots. Number 1. Brand name, 4D RC, model number, F10. The 4D RC F10 GPS foldable drone offers an exceptional flying experience. The 4D RC F10 GPS foldable drone is a versatile and feature-packed device suitable for enthusiasts of all levels. This quadcopter supports one-button 3D flip function. Super cool 3D stunt gives a great video performance during flying. Shake the phone to control the drone's flight direction easily. The drone is equipped with 823mm brushed coreless motors and comes with a 7.4-volt LiPo battery for a flying time of 23 to 25 minutes. It has a remote control distance of 2,000 meters, allowing for expansive exploration. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easier control. It has 3 flight speed switch levels to make flying more fun.